We're here at the Photokina 2018 at the Lastolite booth with Mark. Hello, Mark.
Hi. Hi.
And you're going to show us something very interesting that you just introduced here. So
Yeah. We've launched at Photokina a new product called the Halo Reflector. What's the new product? Well, traditionally a reflector would come in a bag like this, quite compact, but it doesn't always fit in the photographer's camera bag, or they may have to make the decision to take another bag with them if they're traveling on an airplane or on a motorcycle. That's not always easy. What they really wanted was a reflector that could go into their camera bag. So this is the new Halo Reflector. Let me show you how it goes together. We take it out. So we have a frame which simply clips together. Oh, nearly. Oh, sorry. And then the ends just pushes together and it clips in. So this is the frame structure of the reflector, and then the cover simply clips on, go around. So it's double-sided, silver one side, white the other. Very lightweight. And as we get that around, we then have our structured reflector. So it's both ways. Also has a very neat little 1/4-inch thread in there, so we can attach to it any kind of attachment, put it onto a stand. So if you're not working with an assistant, you can easily support the reflector away from you if you need it in a different position. Of course, I can comfortably hold it in one hand, hold my camera in the other hand. I can manipulate it, or if it's a diffuser, I can hold it up, no problem at all.
what size is this?
This one is just short of 80 centimeters.
And there is one size right now?
One size right now. Maybe in the future we can do some bigger sizes. We have a silver white cover. We're also doing a 2-stop diffuser as well.
What about pricing, availability?
Pricing is €68 plus tax. Availability will be end of October.
Thank you very much, Mark.
Okay, thank you.